Every mayor wants to run a smart city, but what if the whole town gets hacked? That's something we're gonna discuss with Maarten Weyn in this MoCo video. My name is Maaike Delver. So Maarten, can you explain us what is a smart city and what are the benefits of a smart city?
Mainly a smart city wants to improve sustainability of the city by using ICT and other means. And the benefits are that both the inhabitant as the companies actually have a better quality of life and so on and so on.
And what kind of advancements in technology have made all these new innovations possible?
A lot of them. So both new communication technologies, but also new chips, new sensors, and the combination of all of them make it possible to actually have an efficient way of sensoring and actuating, so changing something as well. So it's a combination of both technology, communication, and sensing the devices.
And what are the challenges of these technologies in smart cities?
It's both selecting them now, but also making sure that they are still working in 15 years.
Making them sustainable.
Yes, yeah. And also, environment is changing, communication is changing, new technologies are coming up. You have to select a technology which will still work in 15 years. That's a big issue.
So you brought a tool with you which is used in smart cities. What is it and what do you use it for?
Before you build an application, you have to select the right technologies, and this is something which is kind of a modular building block of hardware of different technologies, where a user who wants to test some new application can actually select different technologies and use the different technologies in a test, and then afterwards select the right technology for the real application. Because selecting the right technology is of course quite important if you want to build an application.
Yeah, you are a big fan of smart cities, of course, but what if a city or a town gets hacked? How could we prevent that?
It's indeed a very important challenge, and it's something which a designer of an application has to think of from the beginning, from design. From by design, both privacy as well as security is very important. From the moment when things are in the world, it's very difficult to update them and to solve some bugs which are there. So it's something which is very important by the architect of the smart city system to really look at on how this could be tackled from the beginning.
So it's the responsibility from the designer himself?
Yeah.
Okay. Smart cities depend on gathered data from citizens, but if that data is incorrect and public authorities use it, who is held responsible for that?
In almost every city there is this open data concept where all actors actually put data in the system and other ones can use it. And it's very important to know that all data can be corrupt. So it's that's why mostly you see a massive amount of sensors to make sure that actually you can correlate the data. And you don't build an application based on one or two of the different samples. So it's always important to take into account the data which you use can be wrong, and you have to find other measures to make sure that you can check this data.
Maarten, thank you very much for all the interesting information. Hopefully we'll see you soon another time. Thank you very much for watching, and if you would like to know more, visit our website mocomoments.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye!